Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today let's discuss about radiography on occasion of World Radiography Day on November 8. No conflicts of interest, no funding accepted for production of the video, dedicated to all the radiologists and all the multidisciplinary teams working in tirelessly for the betterment of patients, keeping the patient first in their care. Patient at center. Radiologists work with a wide and multidisciplinary team. It includes doctor, nurse, radiographer, dietitian, occupational therapist, rehabilitation therapist, lab technician, central sterilization department, nursing assistant, housekeeping staff, medical record department, reception, security guard, accounting, human resources, and laundry. So, all the healthcare professionals work for the betterment of the patient health, and we keep the patient at the center. Some of the significant topics which we need everyone know is empathy. We work with empathy. Empathy is nothing but we feel the patient pain and we keep ourselves in the patient situation and try to act what is good for the patient. What if I am in that situation? What is good for me? That only we are going to do for the patient. And we do feel burnout by seeing the agony of patient, the pain of patient. Every day the patient is suffering from mild to very severe conditions, including the end of life issues. So we deal with some of the ethics. We try to have some beneficence that is good for the patient, non-maleficence that is no harm for the patient. We are truthful, that is veracity and justice, fair and equality in the care of patients. We do respect the patient rights, that is privacy, confidentiality, and we do give informed consent, and we take the informed consent from the patient. That is, we try to explain the condition to the patient and procedure to the patient, risk associated with this, and all these things we take care in the language understandable by the patients. And we do maintain the professional communication, that is, every communication has some purpose. We need some of the information. So for that only we are going to ask some few questions to the patients. Discovery of X-ray on November 8, 1985 by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen, German physicist, Nobel Prize winner in 1901. In the University of Würzburg, Hittorf-Crux tube is the one which helped for the Roentgen to discover the X-ray. So on occasion of this, on November 8, all over the world, we celebrate World Radiography Day. Radiographers work with different technology of radiology such as X-ray, computed tomography, nuclear medicine, sonography, fluoroscopy, interventional radiology, radiotherapy, and also in research, magnetic resonance imaging, positive electron tomography, bone scan, mammography, and fluoroscopy. So these are the wide scope of radiography. What is X in X-ray? X is symbol of unknown, and this cannot be detected by the human eyes. And the therapeutic wavelength of X-ray is 1 by 1 lakh nanometers. Prevention of injuries is of most important concern while you are visiting a radiology department. So we maintain good body mechanics to avoid the fall of patient, to avoid the injury to the patient. Sometimes patient may be needed to restraint and immobilization to be done, because if the patient is having some of the accident or any road traffic accident or any injury to the spine, they need to be stabilized, and then only they are going for X-ray or any other radiation procedures. And fire safety precautions is very much essential. And orthostatic hypotension, if a patient is having any condition called falling of blood pressure immediately after getting up from the lying position, such patient should inform to the radiologist or radiographer, whoever is the staff available in the unit, so that the patient will avoid the falls. Infection control, hand washing, sterilization, disinfection is a routine procedure. Remove iron material before entering the MRI, because magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI, is a high powerful magnet. So if you are having any prosthetics, or if you are having any iron material or any implant which can cause severe injury to the patient if patient is entering the MRI. So be very careful to remove iron material before entering the MRI. Effects of radiation. Radiation has a lot of effects. The X-ray identification and again the studies which has been done has proven very successful in identifying the patient conditions, but at the loss of lives of some many persons. So many injuries, so many things happened. It also includes skin burns, hair loss, anemia, carcinoma, and also the infertility and IUGR, etc. So these are the effects of radiation. So whenever you are entering a radiology department, ensure you are exposed to less amount of radiation or avoid the radiation. Do expose to radiation only when needed. Radiation and pregnancy. If you think if you are pregnant or if you are confirmed pregnant, avoid exposure to X-ray or any radiographic procedures. Inform to the radiographer. X-ray exposure to the fetus causes genetic abnormalities and also the IUGR. X-ray has a lot of effect on the biological cell and it even cause changes in the DNA. So cover with extra lead apron helps decrease the exposure if unwarranted X-ray in a pregnancy time. If you are thinking that you are going to get pregnant in next few weeks, also better to avoid the radiation. Radiation safety. Avoid contact with the primary X-ray beam, lead apron, and avoid X-ray in pregnancy. Thank you so much. If you like this, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.